What's up, guys? Today we will talk about money. Money is an integral part of the key of happiness. Without money, it's very hard to be happy. I know that there are some Buddhist monks who may be happy without material possessions, but that is not the norm for the majority of us. But I only want to tell you this: don't let money interfere in your way of achieving happiness. There are other ways, there are ways to be happy that do not really need that much money. For example, just going outside, just going in a park, just going and having a soda, just going in a club. You don't really need that much money for doing this stuff, okay? So, in life, there are many people who have lots of money, like they are in jobs who make lots of money, but they are unhappy. There are many directors, there are many managers who work 10 hours, 12 hours a day, and they make tons of money, but they can't really become happy with that money. They are sad, they have depression, anxiety, and all that issues, because money is not the single part. There are many parts of the keys of happiness, and if you want more than money, I will advise you this: just follow your passions, and if you will follow your passions, you will really get money in the end. Trust me, if you follow your passions, in the end there will be material gains. Okay? Just be smart, just educate yourself. Don't be stupid, okay? Be the best person you can be. Thank you very much for seeing my video.